Call it out. What car is he behind? Roger. Gil, you up? Fall back on me, fall back on me. Let's go get these guys, come on. Get on Connor. Keep pushing right. Flank them out. Reload. Walk up to the top of the hill. Be not afraid, it's just a game. Be not afraid, it's just a game. Be not afraid, it's just a game. Fill you up. See that rusted out piece of shit red truck bed down there? Can you get on it? You ready to run? Yeah. Somebody get on it and flank up on this kid. Mike 12. Go ahead, go. Hit! Push out right. Just a game. Hit! Dead man! Be not afraid, it's just a game. Be not afraid, you got mags? It's just a game. Go ahead. Be not afraid, it's just a game. Huh?
That mag's still good. Thank you.
Yeah.